Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making sausage, green beans, and potatoes. You will need 2 pounds of green beans, 10 baby potatoes, 1 cup of onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 package of beef smoked sausage, 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Using medium heat, bring a large pot or a Dutch oven to temperature, then add your olive oil. Add the sliced sausage and cook until browned on both sides. This should take about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove your sausage and set them aside until later. To the same pot, add your diced onion and garlic and cook for 3 minutes. Now add the green beans, water, and chicken broth. Season with the salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder and mix well. Bring your liquid to a boil, cover, and allow your beans to cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add your sausage and potatoes, cover, and continue cooking for 1 hour. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. The link can be found in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.